Hey everyone, Erica with the K here. We're back with another review. This one's going to be on the Wellphoria. I think that's how it's pronounced. I did get this complimentary in exchange for my review, so I'm going to give you guys my review. On first impressions, love the bottle. I actually really, it smells very familiar. I don't know what the smell is, but it does have CBD in it. It doesn't smell like marijuana at all, so don't think it does. And hemp seed oil. It just smells so familiar. I cannot put my finger on what the actual smell is, that it's like in my brain. I'm getting too obsessed with that. I got to get over it. It is a very strong, potent smell. Somebody get this out of my hands. I can't stop smelling it. No, but seriously. All right, let's get into the actual review. Don't mind my face. Do not mind my face. I just waxed, so that's what you're seeing. But we're gonna actually put this in our hair. Let's see how it goes. This is how it squirts. You just rub it on your scalp. You can rub it in your hair, on your scalp. You can just squirt it in there. Woo! Okay, so honestly, if you guys want to use this just to like have some guilt-free time to be in your thoughts, like that's what I did here. I was just like seriously thinking about life and just enjoying this, but I do want to read off some benefits of using this. So first of all, to use, you want to use it sparingly on damp or dry hair and scalp, and it is color safe. It is proven to address 5 dimensions of hair wellness, 4 times stronger. That's a motorcycle driving by. 4 times stronger, 6 times more conditioned, and 1.5 times softer, balanced scalp and vivid shine. It smells really good. There is a little asterisk for all those stats, and it says if you use with the Wellphoria shampoo, conditioner, and oil versus using a non-conditioning shampoo, etc. I get that neck hair shot. Know how much you guys love my neck hair. That was meant to be funny. Everybody on the internet hates my neck hair, so there's that. Just want to give you guys a good view of it. Enjoy. In my hands, it feels like argan oil. You ever use like Moroccan oil or argan oil? That's what it feels like in my hands. Sorry, my face is so red. That's what it feels like. All right, I'm just gonna leave it in. I'm not gonna lie, I just washed my hair yesterday, and I don't wash my hair often, so this might be in my hair for like a few days. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you for sticking around and watching it, and I will see you all next time. Bye.